What's up, everybody? This is Noah for Noah Toy Review. Today we have a really insane video, guys. Today we're going to unbox this fish tank, and for now, stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. And here's what we get. We get this. And then we got this little probably thing. And then we got this little, what is this, Mom? What is this thing?
That's the filter.
Filter.
Hold on.
Okay, and this is tank. And this is the tank. Let me take this little wrapper off. And yeah, so.
And then you got a little fishy.
Yeah, he's in the bag. But before we get started, I know what you guys to do. Go down below and press on that subscribe button right here and that notification to get post notification. And then yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and fill it up and put the fish in, and we will be back.
Up next. Now we're going to pour it in the bottom, and we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's a lot of noise. Yes, we have to stick our hand in it, and we have to do like this. Like that.
And you have a little decoration that you got. It's the Halloween theme from Petsmart.
Petsmart, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here. Now we're gonna put some water in it, and then put our fish in it, and yeah. I'm gonna tell you what's my fish name. It's called, drum roll please. It's Hank! Woo! That's his name. So we got the water in, now we're gonna put the fish in.
You gotta let him get used to the water.
Why?
So he doesn't, he's gotta get used to the water. As soon as he gets used to the water,
you could test it out.
you're gonna let him swim.
Yeah, like a pool. Yeah. Is it recording?
So now you're just gonna let him swim on out.
And go out. Just dump it out.
Just like this.
Oh, there he is! Now the bag. Hurry, close it. Can you close it up now?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Where's my fish? There she is. There he
So
is.
now you're gonna put the top on.
Is that fish? There you go. There you go.
Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the light on.
How do I put?
And there's your fish.
What? Is it recording?
So now we're gonna go ahead and turn off the light so you can see.
So cool. I love my fish.
I'm just gonna go wipe off the tank a bit. And then you can see that it's glowing in the dark.
Whoa. They can't see me? Because I'm also here.
They can see your fish.
Wow. It's like swimming around. Around. And like around. Around.
Soon he's gonna need a friend.
Huh?
Soon he's gonna need a buddy to swim with. See, and you can see your little fishy. See how he's swimming?
Yeah. Looks like he needs a buddy. He's probably alone. Just swimming around. Okay, I finished the review of my fishy named Hank. And if you like fish, give me that thumbs up button. And then, yeah.
If you're interested in this tank or the fish, we'll link all the details in the description. Right now, Petsmart has a deal on this fish tank. This is a 3-gallon tank for, it rang up as $16. If they're interested, you will link all the details in the description.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.